Yo, what is up, guys? It is Flacco back with another and early unboxing. Today, I brought you guys some heat, something that is my favorite, near and dear to my heart, some retro 7s, the Citrus 7s that I got an early review on. So hopefully you guys like this, but you know we gotta kick things off, right? So let's get it to the B-roll. Hi guys, it's been a while since we've released some OG iconic 7s, and the Citrus 7 compared to the Bordeaux, the Hares, Olympic 7s, this is something that I can say I'm happy that they're re-releasing. But the original ones of these dropped years ago, and the fact that they're bringing back 7s, which is near and dear to my heart, but also my favorite number. As far as the boxing, the style, and design, we did have to switch it up comparing to the older Citrus 7s when they dropped. Had the OG box. So inside of the box you had the sneaker tab or the sneaker flyer that had Michael Jordan and Bugs Bunny on it. It's just been so long. But let's talk about years ago. Years ago when this shoe dropped, I believe it's $125 or $135 retail. Now they're dropping for, I believe, $200. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is some heat. This is some heat, and this is, if you play around with fire, you're gonna get burned. You are going to get burned. First impression of these Citrus 7s, they're phenomenal. They look delicious. They look just like the OGs. Feel, it just brings back memories. And if you were around when these first came out, this is gonna give you some feels like OG feels. That's like, damn. It's very similar to the ones that was released, I believe, over a decade ago. Bottom sole of the shoe, you will see that you have the Jordan logo with the typical 7 design that's going to be on the bottom. Let's talk about this new buck suede on this shoe. This thing, but the actual quality of this, I think that this is bound to last a while. I'm praying that this will last at least a good 10, 15, 20 years. Let's hope that they're putting more into the quality instead of the quantity. But my favorite thing of this shoe is the stitching. That citrus threading and stitching across the entire shoe. Of course, we're going to have that Jumpman along the ankle part, the outer ankle of the shoe towards the upper heel. And taking a look at the back, you will see that it has a 23 on the back. And if we're looking on the inside of the shoe, it's going to have that sizing on the tongue, on the inside tongue. Take a look at the front tongue, it's going to have that Air Jordan. Typically with the 7s, there's never any extra laces inside of the box. They just give you the one lace that comes inside of the shoe. I always do like a simple little classic lace. This is the Citrus 7s early, and it's phenomenal. I love it, they're dope. Although this is going to be a general release, do you think this is gonna sell out? With knowing the history of this and remembering the last time that we had some OG 7s, like especially the Citruses, because this is just the second release after the initial first one dropped. I hope you like this video. If you like it, do like it. Would you be picking this up? Is this a classic to you? Is this a hit or miss for you guys? And why? This has been another unboxing, but this one, it came to you early. I hope to see you guys next video. And guys, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Flacco is out.